Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Peggy's Cove is one of Canada's most recognizable coastal communities and one of Nova Scotia's most visited destinations. Located about 40 kilometers southwest of Halifax, the village sits along the rugged Atlantic coast within the Halifax Regional Municipality. Known for its granite shoreline, fishing village character, and famous lighthouse, Peggy's Cove attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors each year. The community itself is small, with a permanent population of fewer than 100 residents. Despite its small size, Peggy's Cove receives far more visitors than residents, making tourism one of the area's most important industries. The village remains an active fishing community, while also serving as a major destination for travelers from around the world. Long before European settlement, the Mi'kmaq lived and traveled along Nova Scotia's coast, using the region's waters for fishing and transportation. European settlement in the area expanded during the 18th century. In 1715, the French established a settlement nearby, and after the British gained control of Nova Scotia, German immigrants and other settlers were encouraged to establish communities along the coast. The origin of the name Peggy's Cove is uncertain and has inspired several local legends. One popular story tells of a young woman named Margaret, often called Peggy, who survived a shipwreck near the cove. While historians cannot confirm the tale, the name Peggy's Cove has been in use for centuries and remains one of the best-known place names in Atlantic Canada. Fishing has long been central to life in Peggy's Cove. Lobster fishing remains an important industry today, and the harbor still supports working fishing boats. In earlier times, residents also fished for cod and other species while relying on small-scale farming and trade to supplement their incomes. The village's economy has evolved, but its maritime roots remain visible throughout the community. The most famous landmark in the village is the Peggy's Cove Lighthouse. Officially known as the Peggy's Point Lighthouse, the current structure was built in 1915 to guide ships along Nova Scotia's rocky coastline. The lighthouse remains an active navigational aid and has become one of the most photographed landmarks in Canada. The landscape surrounding Peggy's Cove was shaped by glaciers thousands of years ago. Massive granite formations cover much of the shoreline, creating the smooth rock surfaces that define the area today. These rocks are beautiful but can also be dangerous, as sudden waves from the Atlantic Ocean have swept visitors into the sea over the years. Warning signs remind people to stay back from wet and dark rocks near the water. Tourism plays a major role in the local economy. Residents work in hospitality, retail, food services, tourism operations, and marine industries. Artists and craftspeople are also drawn to the area, inspired by its scenery and maritime heritage. Real estate in Peggy's Cove and surrounding communities is influenced by its international reputation and coastal setting. Average home prices in the area commonly range from $500,000 to over $1 million, depending on location and ocean access. Waterfront properties can command significantly higher prices. The waters around Peggy's Cove support diverse marine life, including seals, seabirds, and numerous fish species. The surrounding coastline is part of the larger ecological system of Nova Scotia's Atlantic shore, where tides, weather, and ocean currents shape the landscape year after year. Outdoor activities such as hiking, photography, and boating remain popular throughout the region. Today, Peggy's Cove stands as both a working fishing village and an internationally recognized symbol of Nova Scotia. Its dramatic coastline, rich history, and enduring connection to the sea continue to attract visitors from around the world.